Okay, so now we will continue in chapter 12. Okay, so chapter 12, measurements of center tendency. Okay, so now you're going to see what happened or what will be changed in the mean, mode, and median if I doing some change in the set of data. Okay, so that's when I do something on the set of data. So what happened to the mean, mode, and median? Okay, so the first change is I adding extreme values. Okay, extreme values here is means something extra, something like extra large or extra small values. So that means, for example, all your data is a single digit. For example, okay, maybe all your data is 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, okay, 9, something like this. Okay, I have 6 number. Then I adding a number, for example, 65. So this number compared with the data I have is a very large number. Okay, compared with the data I have. So this is called as a extreme value. So this is a extreme values. So that means the extreme values, in another words, is actually a very different. It's a very different numbers or very different data compared with the data we have. Okay, so when we adding extreme values into a set of data, the extreme value will bring the effect to the mean. So I mean, if I adding the 65 into the data I have now, this one, okay, they will change the mean values. Totally will be different already. Okay, but for mode and median, they got no change. They got no change. So sometimes when we have a set of data with the extreme value, so the mean actually is not good for us to use to represent the data. Okay, so that means mean is not good or not able to represent data. Okay, represent data. Okay, when they are or they got extreme values. There are extreme values there. Okay, so this is the first change if I adding a extreme value. So mean will be changed, but mode and median will also keep the same. Okay, so this is the first. Okay, then the next is what if I do a uniform change in the data. For example, just now I using the example 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, isn't it? So for using the same. So for example, I have 6, 8, 9, then just now 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is a set of data. Okay, after I counting the mean, mode, and median, okay, all these things will be changed if I change the uniformly into the data. I mean, for example, I add all this number with 2, okay, plus 2. So then all the values here will also plus 2. Okay, we go to see some example. Okay, so the first example, okay, so I'm giving you the mode, mean, and median. Okay, then I say I'm doing the change uniformly. Okay, all the data now is increased by 2 uniformly. You see the words, okay, that is uniform. The change is uniformly. So that means all the mode, mean and median will also change according to the increase 2 here. So that means the new mode will be 3 plus 2, mean, median also same, plus 2. Everything plus 2. Okay, how about I doing multiply or division? Actually, if I doing multiply and division, the situation also will be the same. For example, like this. Okay, if I do multiply times 2 uniformly to all the data, so that means mode, mean, and median will also multiply 2. Okay, everything will be multiplied 2. Okay, so this is what happens when we have a uniform change. Okay, uniform. Okay, there is uniform change. That means every data we doing the same thing. So means mode, mean, median will also doing the same thing. So that's all for this part. I hope you understand.